Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
She waited.
Raquel Dazan Ike flew home to be with her parents, both of whom tested positive for COVID-19 and were hospitalized at the Guam Memorial Hospital. Because her parents, both over 90 years old, were at GMH for COVID, she applied for a hardship exemption from quarantine.
I sent in my application for an emergency hardship the day before I flew, complete with all documents.
But public health denied her request.
This shouldn't have been my situation. I've gave them everything. I didn't take any shortcuts. I applied through their channels. I went through their website. I contacted everyone I needed to. I wanted to do it appropriately and not, ask a favor.
It was while she was in quarantine that she got the news that her father, Joseph E. Laville, had died. Dazan Ike cried as she recalled how she felt.
The quarantine, like you said, Dr. Shea, is inhumane. I think when we got the news that my father passed on 9/11, I was just shaking. I was cold. There was nobody there, nobody physically there. He looked out after our mother, and he was always afraid, like, who would be with her. They were inseparable. He always thought of her first. But he didn't make it, he went first.
Unfortunately, the heartbreak did not stop there, as just 7 days after the death of her father, her mother, Maria Laville, passed away. Dazan Ike says that it was a sign that showed that they could not live without each other.
She waited, those 7 days to give us some time to kind of get ready.
Dazan Ike was released to her home to self-isolate, but now her husband and her children have to endure the quarantine, unable to grieve together as a family. Now on their 6th day of quarantine, Dazan Ike's husband, Chad Ike, says that it's been hard on the children to not be around their mother at a time like this.
For them not to be able to, hold her and kiss her and comfort her and vice versa, you can never get that motherly love from anybody else.
The full interview can be found on the KUAM YouTube page. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Peter Santos.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.